Hi guys, welcome back again to another training video, and today we will be discussing how to utilize Client File Vault. So again, let's log into the app.ollie.com.ph, and once we enter our credentials we will be redirected to this dashboard. Then we can go to our client. This is what we did on the other training video. So as you can see here, these are the folder labels. This is for the business documents. This is BIR, SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. You can see the client information already in here. So let's try, for example, to upload a business document for the certificate of incorporation. Let's try this. Okay, so example, here's the file you can see here, and like another one, let's try for SSS example, this one, this, there you go, close that. So we have uploaded this certificate of incorporation and SSS for January. Now let's go to the client task. We can see that under the test company here, the client task that we assigned to our client, you can click here and check what happened for the send funds for the payroll December 15, 2023, and this is the conversation. Here also is the file. See, cross that out. You can also see this. This is a provide disbursement slip. You can also go to the client updates. So need approval for financial statements if read. We can click that, and the conversation here, you can read what happened and open the file as well. So for the files, you can see there are two labels. First is the internal files. The internal files are the files that we have uploaded for this client. You can open that. We can open this as well. Open this. And for the client files, these are the files that the client uploaded. Okay, so for the manage team, there's another training video relating to how to manage add team for this client and assigning a default team. So let's say, for example, the client is not enrolled for SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth anymore. We can just edit this one and uncheck this. There you go. You can see that the labels are hidden, but the files are still there. But it's just us to know that they're not having any more services in regards to the SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. So we can again edit that and click this, save client, and it comes back here and it shows again. So there you go. We can also delete this if you want. Yep, close that one, so it doesn't have any file. So yeah, that is just our training video for today, and if you have questions or clarifications regarding this training video, feel free to email us at support@ollie.com.ph. Again, that's support@ollie.com.ph. Hope you guys learned something new today, and see you on the next training video. Bye.